Okay, so continuing on, we are pretty much, I'd say, almost halfway done with the slides. So we just created a slide to go with where we say in the audio how we used to recommend WordPress themes from other premium theme companies. So now we're going to continue on with the audio, and we're going to start talking about how most premium themes on the market right now are not ideal for local businesses. So let's go ahead and press play on the audio and continue on.
Those of us who build local websites, most of the premium themes available on the market right now just don't cut it out of the box. They all need to be heavily customized to look like a website that actually represents a local business versus an online business or some type of blog. And being in the local marketing scene ourselves, both...
Okay, so basically, we just want to say, we want to summarize what I just said, how most premium themes on the market right now are not local business ready. They need to be customized a lot to match or work well for a local business. So this slide is going to say, most premium themes are not local business ready. Okay, so we're just going to duplicate one of our slides here, drag it down, and we're going to say, most premium themes are not local business ready. So we're going to shrink down that top line of text. And that looks pretty close right there. And we're going to grow the bottom line of text. And we'll just type in 56 here, see if that matches better, and it does. And we're going to add a transition here. And I think we'll go back to the fly-through animation. And let's see what that looks like. So we're going to go to slideshow, preview from current slide. Okay. Then it basically flies through to where it says most premium themes on the market are not local business ready. They need to be customized, etc., etc. So let's continue on.
Jamie and I realize this. We know you have realized this too. But since this was kind of our only option, we all kind of bit our tongues and, just sucked it up and used what we had available to us.
Okay. So basically, I just got done saying how most premium themes on the market aren't local business ready. Okay. Now we're going to say we all knew this, but we kind of just sucked it up because it's all we had available to us. So I'm going to make a slide that says, we all know this, we sucked it up. Okay? Again, just keeping everything simple. So we all know this, but we sucked it up. Exclamation point. I'm just going to switch the colors around on this slide just to keep things interesting. And we're going to make this text bigger. That looks pretty close right there. And we're going to select a different transition. We'll go ahead and just use the orbit transition this time. And if you remember in the audio, we started to say until now. And then this is where we're going to introduce our WordPress themes. So I also want to do a slide that just has the word until now. Okay. So I'm just going to say until now. And for this slide, this is where we're actually going to be starting to introduce our business, the PrimoPress business. And those colors are orange, blue, and dark gray, and some white. So I'm going to use a different color here on this slide just to give it, that feel, that PrimoPress feel. So I'm going to choose orange as the color. And we're going to make it pretty big because we want it to be like, blam. And we're going to rotate it on the page just a little bit. And we'll have a transition. We'll have it fly through really quickly, like so. So let's go ahead and preview what this stuff looks like so far. So most premium themes on the market right now are not local business ready. They need to be customized, etc., etc. We all knew this, but since this is all we had available to us, we kind of just sucked it up and used them anyways until now. Okay, so this is where we're going to start introducing the PrimoPress brand. So let's take a look over at the finished slideshow just to see what we've done to do this. So we are at this point right here. So now we just want to basically bring this image onto the screen. So there's a background image of the little sunburst graphic, okay? And then we have another image on top of it, which is basically the logo. So let's see what we did here. We'll go to just preview this slideshow just to see what we did. So we got the Until Now text come on, and then basically it just transitions into the PrimoPress logo there. So I'm just going to create a new slide, delete this text, and now I'm going to insert an image that is basically the size of the slide, which is basically 1280 by 720 pixels. So I've created an image already for that sunburst background at 1280 by 720 pixels. So I'm going to insert picture and basically just insert that background image. So here I have the images that I want to use. I have the background right here separately, and I have the logo separately. So I'm going to insert the background, and I'm going to add a transition here where it basically just fades in. So I'm going to select from this drop down, and unlike the other slides, I don't need dynamic content here. I just want a basic fade animation, so it fades in like that. And then I just want the PrimoPress logo to kind of just appear on top of that background. So I'm going to insert picture again, insert the logo, make sure it's all lined up, and it is. And I'm just going to add an animation here. Go to animation, make sure that I do have the logo selected, and I do. So I'm just going to have it float in like so. So let's preview that and see what it looks like. So Until Now, presenting PrimoPress WordPress themes. I do want to add this animation so that it comes in with the previous action, which is basically the background coming in, so I don't have to click again for that to appear. So now I think we're good to go on that. I'm going to stop the video here. This is a good stopping point, and we're going to continue on. We've got another group of text slides to create here. As you can see, we're on slide 15 right now. We're going to create these additional text slides here, and we'll probably stop when we get at this image here, and we'll just continue on. More of the same, so I'll see you in the next video.